honored to talk about someone who defines excellence in our industry. With true years of valuable experience, this person is a master of strategic thinking and a true inspiration for many.
They manage branches with excellence and inspire others to achieve their best. Their success and dedication set a standard for all of us. वैसे तो हमारे सीईओ को कोई मसला दरपेश आता नहीं है,
लेकिन
आ भी जाए तो वो वाहिद पर्सन है जिनसे वो कंसल्ट करते हैं. प्लीज गिव अ थंडरस राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर मिस्टर मोहम्मद हारिस, our associate director.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, I must thank you guys for such kind words in the first place. Well, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 15th anniversary of Annex Consultants. As Janzeeb has already clearly mentioned, told you about things, two tables, kuch log, and such a big team today. It's such an honor to address you guys, and I guess this volume speaks clearly of how far we have come. Such celebrations, such gatherings, specifically anniversaries, I believe they are pretty much important. They are a reflection of our dedication towards you guys. They are also an opportunity to meet together, see each other, how different parts are functioning, how our departments are collaborating with each other. And I believe our success, nearly more than 10,000 students over the past 15 years, speaks really loud that how we have come, how we have performed things. But at the same time, these days also point us that we have to monitor the future also. Where we are heading, we have to define our goals, we have to define our dreams. I personally believe that a company's success is very much embedded in the success of its team members. If the company is prospering, the team members are not doing that great, I don't think that's a very valuable part for all of us. So as Sohaib just told us his story right here, plot, घर, गाड़ी, it's open for everyone. आप लोग अपने goals set करें, अपने dreams. I always like to point out a difference between a goal and a dream. Goals are short term. आप थोड़े से टाइम के अंदर देखते हैं ये अचीव करना है, मेहनत करनी है, यहाँ तक जाना है. We are there. हम लोगों ने आप लोगों के लिए सारी opportunities ways open की हुई हैं. But we cannot push you. We can give you motivation. We can give you products. We can give you ways. We can help you whenever you need. But you have to work. Specifically the counselings. You have to perform. You have to pull. बाकी सब डिपार्टमेंट्स आप लोगों की सपोर्ट मैकेनिज्म में है. Whether it's the processing, it's HR, it's CRM, marketing, whatever. Counseling in particular. आप लोगों को आगे बढ़ना है. आप लोग हमारे लीडर्स हैं. आप लोग रास्ता बनाएंगे. हम आपके लिए पीछे से हर चीज साथ लेकर आएंगे. Janzeeb has also clearly mentioned that we have much bigger future prospects for the company. We are opening new offices. That means, inshallah ta'ala, by this time next year, we'll need a lot of more sitting, I guess. But that will also mean that, obviously, once the branches expand, there will be more pressure on processings. We'll have to look into the marketing things as well, new strategies, area-specific strategies as well. And we have to execute all of that. Lastly, enjoy करें, motivation लें. It has been a long journey for us also. आप में से बहुत शायद कम लोग होंगे. I guess Fiza started very early, so it started somewhat early. But when we look at each other, we look 15 years ago. Nearly, when I started working, when he started working was 2009. दोनों का एक था. हमें देखें. Trust me, from both of us, none of us come from money. हमारे पास पेरेंट्स के कोई जायदादों के या रास्तों के लंबे जोड़े पैसे नहीं है. हम लोग आप लोगों जैसे, बल्कि शायद आई बिलीव आप लोग हमसे बेहतर हैं. आप लोगों के पास मेंटोर्स हैं, गाइड करने वाले लोग हैं, सपोर्ट करने वाले हैं. हमारे पास नहीं है. We just had big dreams, which छोटे-छोटे गोल्स करके हमने उन्हें डिवाइस किया और एंड पे वो ख्वाब सारे रियलिटी बनते चले. आज लोग देखते हैं उन्हें बहुत कुछ नजर आता है, लेकिन मैं फिर आप लोगों को एक दफा रिमाइंड करूंगा, दिस इज नॉट अनअचीवेबल. इसमें से कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जो आप लोग अचीव नहीं कर सकते. एंड ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, आप लोगों के लिए रास्ता बहुत आसान है एज कम्पेयर टू जिस रास्ते पर चलकर हम लोग यहाँ तक। सो बकल अप, आई वुड लव कि अगले साल तक हमारे पास सिर्फ एक कहानी ना हो सुनने के लिए, हमारे पास 10-20 कहानियां सुनाने के लिए। कि 1 साल पहले हम यहाँ खड़े थे, 1 साल बाद हम यहाँ खड़े। Lastly, we are always there. I would like to reassure every team member from every city, every branch, that whenever there is an issue, whatever kind it is, please give us a call. We are always there for you guys. Thank you so much.